how to pronounce this supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It's an English tongue twister. In this word, there are 34 letters. 34 letters makes a word, and that is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. You may also practice with me this tongue twister as much as you can quickly. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It's mean amazing, fantastic, or extremely wonderful. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It's been amazing, fantastic, extremely wonderful. But sometimes people use this a playful way. They make a cut jokes. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. কৌতুক, মজা করা বা ফান করা এই জাতীয় অর্থে আমোদ প্রমোদ এই জাতীয় কৌতুক করার সময় তারা মজা করে বলে supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. So, dear viewers, you may also practice these types of tongue twister more and more. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Thanks a lot.